So this is the box. This is the box of the Fujifilm X-A7, the latest from the Fujifilm X series. Yay! So I bought this camera because I love vlogging, and this is recommended for vloggers who want a quality vlogging camera. So let's check the box. So X-A7, so it says mint green, menthe verde. So it's color mint green, and this is the specifications. This is the package contents: digital camera, X-A7, rechargeable battery, USB cable, microphone adapter, shoulder strap, and the interchangeable lens. So let's open the box. Yay! Okay, let's open it. Yes, so first it says, let's check first here. There's a QR code which connects to the manual, and another QR code which connects to the Fujifilm camera control. Okay, so here is the strap. It's a color brown. Well, the camera is mint green while the strap is color brown. Well, let's check if it works. So yes, this is the strap. Okay. And there's a brochure. Capture one Fujifilm for all X and GFX. Okay, there's a brochure. I will read it later. Okay. Fujifilm, value for innovation. Okay, so let's check. What's this? This is the specifications, I think, for the lens. The Fujifilm lens. Okay, so here's the specifications. Let's check it later. And what we have here is the digital camera basic manual. Okay, here's the manual. So let's look at the inside view of the box. Okay, so yeah, this is the box, the inside view of the box. So we have the body of the camera. Okay, let's put it here, and we have the lens, silver in color. So here's the mint green color of the body of the camera, and we have the port for the microphone, and here is the adapter, and here we go, the battery, and the desiccant. Okay, that's the box. Now let's check the camera. So here's the camera. Let's connect first to the lens. Here's the lens. Okay, let's be careful. Where's the red dot? Where's the red? Here is the red. Is the red? You can see the red. Okay, it's now connected. Okay, and we should put the battery first. Where's the battery? And also let's put the USB. This is free from the store that I bought. Okay. Okay. If you'll notice, there's no dock for the battery, so we can charge it by using our camera adapter. Here, this is the Type-C adapter. We'll connect it to the adapter of the phone. Okay, so here it goes. You'll connect it here in the port. Okay, so that's how you charge this camera. Okay. Okay, next is we will open it. Okay. Yeah. So that is the screen of the camera, and you can flip it here, right there, and put it this way. Okay. And if you notice, it has a wide screen. The aspect ratio is 16:9. It has less button. Let's check the button. This is the navigation button. This is the menu. Okay, this is the menu. It's playback. And here is the this is where we put the mic. Where's the port of the mic? Here. It's the mic. Okay. And this is the pop-up. Let's check the pop-up flash. Yeah, that's the pop-up flash. Okay. And here is the horseshoe. This is the navigation button. This is the on and off button, the delete or the drive button, the playback. Okay, and this is the camera button. This is for the camera, and this is for the video. And what we have here is the port, the HDMI, and the port for charging and transfer. And here is the where we put the battery and the USB. So let's check the camera. Let's navigate it. So what I like about this is the new feature of the X-A7, which is the filter. You can use different kind of filters. You can also check the before and after. So that is the filters. By the way, I'm not a professional photographer. I just love vlogging, and this is the one I chose to be my vlogging camera. And what I like about this is you can flip the camera right here, right, like that. You can also flip like this, okay, and like this, and do a selfie with the camera. So that is me. So that is me. Hello everyone. Hello. I'm filming with my camera. So that is. So what else? What I like about it is you can flip, as what I've said, you can flip right here, right there, right that, and also it is convenient if you are doing a selfie vlog. Yes, that is that. So hello everyone. So I'm filming with my phone, my mobile phone. What is this? Huawei Nova 2i, and yeah, that's the picture of the X-A7. I love it. I love it. Okay. Just put it this way. So that is my new vlogging camera, Fujifilm X-A7. So yeah, this is very stylish, very classic style, which the millennials like me love. So yeah, love it. I love the color, mint green. So that's it. So what do you think of my unboxing? It's so hard to film an unboxing. I'm literally sweating. So what do you think? Comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. So, and also don't forget to like this video. So that's it. Goodbye.